Top 5 budget laptops for students in 2025. Hey everyone, it's Kaylee and we're diving into the tech world today with a topic that's close to my heart and probably yours too, especially if you're heading back to school soon. We're talking budget laptops. Finding a laptop that doesn't break the bank but can still handle your workload is a challenge, but trust me, I've been there, done that, and I've got your back. In this video, we're going to break down the top 5 budget laptops for students in 2025. We're talking performance, battery life, design, and of course that all-important price point. Whether you're juggling online classes, writing papers, or just want a device to binge-watch your favorite shows after a long day of studying, we've got you covered. So, grab your notebooks because class is officially in session. Let's dive into the specs and see which one comes out on top. Kicking things off with a classic, the Acer Aspire 5. Now this laptop has consistently been a favorite for students for a reason. It's all about balance. You're getting a solid combination of performance and affordability, which is key when you're on a budget. We're talking about enough power to handle your everyday tasks, from note-taking and web browsing to light photo editing and even some casual gaming. Now I know what you're thinking, Kaylee, what about the battery life? Don't worry, Acer didn't skimp on that. You can expect a solid 7 to 8 hours of mixed usage, which means you can power through most of your school day without needing to hunt for an outlet. Plus, the design is sleek and modern, with a comfortable keyboard and a decent trackpad. Overall, the Acer Aspire 5 is a workhorse that won't let you down. It's reliable, gets the job done, and won't make you choose between a new laptop and, eating. Let's be real, student life is all about budgeting. Next up, we've got the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. A laptop that screams durability. Seriously, Lenovo knows how to build a tank of a laptop, and the IdeaPad 3 is no exception. If you're the type who tends to drop things, this one might be your new best friend. But it's not just about toughness. The IdeaPad 3 also boasts a really comfortable keyboard, which is a godsend for those marathon typing sessions when you're racing against essay deadlines. Plus, the battery life is impressive, clocking in at around 8 to 9 hours on a single charge. You can literally go all day without worrying about your laptop dying on you. Now, in terms of performance, it's not going to blow you away, but it's definitely capable of handling your everyday student needs. Web browsing, document editing, streaming videos, it can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Chapter 3. HP Pavilion X360, flexibility is key. Let's talk about versatility. The HP Pavilion X360, as the name suggests, is a 2-in-1 device, meaning it can transform from a laptop to a tablet and everything in between. This is a game changer for students who like to switch things up. Need to take notes in class? Flip it into tablet mode and jot down your thoughts with a stylus. Working on a group project? Tent mode is perfect for sharing presentations. But the flexibility doesn't stop there. The Pavilion X360 also comes with a responsive touchscreen and a comfortable keyboard, making it easy to use in any mode. And don't even get me started on the battery life. We're talking 9 to 10 hours of mixed usage, which means you can go from morning lectures to evening study sessions without breaking a sweat. Sure, the price tag might be a tad higher than some of the other options on this list, but for the versatility and features it offers, the HP Pavilion X360 is definitely worth considering. Chapter 4. Dell Inspiron 15. Dependable Powerhouse. Let's be honest, when it comes to laptops, you can't go wrong with a classic. The Dell Inspiron 15 is like that reliable friend who's always there for you, no matter what. It's not flashy, it's not trying to be something it's not, it just gets the job done. And sometimes that's all you need. This laptop is all about solid performance and battery life. You can expect smooth multitasking, even with multiple tabs open, and you can power through your day without constantly searching for an outlet. Plus, the Inspiron 15 comes with a spacious display, which is perfect for those late-night study sessions when you're staring at your screen for hours on end. It's not the thinnest or lightest laptop out there, but hey, that just means it's built to last, right? Chapter 5. Asus VivoBook 15, sleek and powerful. Last but not least, we've got the Asus VivoBook 15, a laptop that proves you don't have to sacrifice style for affordability. This thing is sleek, modern, and looks way more expensive than it actually is, but it's not just about looks. The VivoBook 15 packs a punch when it comes to performance. We're talking about a fast processor, ample RAM, and even dedicated graphics. So whether you're editing photos, working on creative projects, or just want a laptop that can handle some light gaming, the VivoBook 15 has got you covered. Plus, the battery life is impressive, clocking in at around 8 to 9 hours on a single charge. Overall, the Asus VivoBook 15 is a great all-rounder that offers a fantastic balance of style, performance, and affordability. Outro, the choice is yours. Best budget laptops. And there you have it, the top 5 budget laptops for students in 2025. From the balanced performance of the Acer Aspire 5 to the sleek design of the Asus VivoBook 15, there's a laptop out there for every student and every budget. Remember, the best laptop for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. So before you make your final decision, think about what matters most to you. Is it portability, battery life, performance? Once you know what you're looking for, you can narrow down your options and choose the perfect laptop to help you conquer the school year. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which laptop you're leaning towards. Thanks for watching.